Hey everybody! So our Easter egg hunt is a little bit late and we're doing a nighttime glowing eggs Easter hunt. Up! Boops! Boots! Hit the jackpot! Yay! Hey Bert! You gonna go find some Easter eggs?
No, we're not. Go check the other white places.
Go ahead, Dee Dee. There you go. Dee Dee's Easter egg hunting too. Up!
Thank you.
Careful, Pretty Bird doesn't like balls. Let's go, Pretty Bird. Let's go see. Dee Dee, come over here. Come see what Boots has.
Oh, she already cleared that area. So
No, she hasn't. They're sharing. They're only grabbing one or two each time and leaving more behind for the other one. Pretty Bird, are you coming? Come on. Pretty Bird, come on, let's go Easter egg hunting.
your bag is cool.
Pretty Bird, are you going to Daddy?
Sandy, do you have another bag to empty?
No. Actually, I have a plastic bag on me, so. Here, guys. Guys, you can put some eggs in here if you find it and like get rid of some. It's okay. Hey.
Yeah, they're gonna keep falling, so just come over here
Boots.
and Mom sing.
My back hurts.
Are you gonna be okay? No, don't do that. Don't do that. Just take some out. You guys share them anyways, right? You guys always share stuff anyways, right?
I got a golden egg. Me too.
Right?
Yeah. I got a golden egg too.
Did you hear me?
Huh?
I said you guys share it anyways, right?
Yeah. The first egg I got in the field was a golden egg.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Somewhere in here.
I'm glad you guys both got a golden egg.
Actually, one opened.
Boots. Pretty Bird. You having fun? Y'all hear how she keeps making little noises?
Here's the golden egg.
Pretty Bird does that because she's nervous. She doesn't like the dark.
Alright, you got more room. Go pick up
She's
some more.
communicating. She hears us all talking, so she communicates with us. Right, Pretty Bird? Right, Pretty Bird?
Justin's light working?
Pretty Bird. Hey. What are you doing? You gonna follow Daddy? Yeah, you are. Of course you are. Whoa, careful. All right, Pretty Bird. Say bye-bye to all your friends. Say bye-bye to your flock. What, you're going to get a snack first? Pretty Bird, you say bye-bye? Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Say Happy Easter. Say we're having a late Easter. Yep, that's how you avoid people. Yeah. Oh, silly girl. Pretty Bird. Say Happy Easter. Say I still didn't lay any eggs for Easter. So we don't know yet. We don't know yet if she's for sure a girl. Wait and see. That's one of the difficulties that comes with having a hybrid. It's harder to tell. Now she's yelling at him for being too far away. Look at that. And they're over there. And she's getting mad. Bye, everybody. Alright, guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more content. Comment. Any comment you want to leave. I apologize for the bad video quality since it's nighttime. I'm doing the best I can here. And if you enjoy Pretty Bird's videos, you know, share them with your friends and your family. And we do hope that everyone is safe and healthy and hanging in there during these difficult times. Alrighty, guys. Bye.